Hi guys, welcome. Today we're gonna take a look how to pass data from one fragment to another. So let's get started. But before we begin, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please consider to do so and turn on the notification for more upcoming updates like this. Now in Android Studio, I have already created a project. In my MainActivity.xml, I have added a frame layout to load the fragment in here. I also created these two fragments in this project and named them Fragment A and Fragment B. In Fragment A's XML file, I have changed the background color to red and added a text view with a heading and a edit text and a button. Similarly, in Fragment B's XML file, I have changed the background color to blue and added a text view as a heading and another one for displaying the passing data. And in MainActivity.java, I am loading Fragment A on the frame layout. In Fragment A's Java file, I have initialized the edit text and the button. And in the onCreate method, I have assigned them to their following IDs. I have added a set onClick listener on this button. So with the button click, Fragment B will be loaded on the frame layout instead of Fragment A. Lastly, in Fragment B, I have initialized the text view and assign its ID. Now, if you want to pass data from here, Fragment A, to here, Fragment B, how you can do that? But before we do this, let's run the app to see how our fragments are loading. You can see the activity starts with the Fragment A, and if I click the button, it changes to Fragment B. Okay, to pass data from Fragment A, we'll go to our Fragment A's Java file. In the onClick method, first I'm gonna create a string to hold the input from the edit text. I'm gonna call it message equal to edit text dot get text dot toString. Now we need to pass this string to the Fragment B. To do that, I am gonna use this bundle class. So bundle, I'm gonna call it bundle equal to new bundle. We're gonna put our data in this bundle object. So bundle dot put string, it takes two arguments. First is a key and second is the data we want to send. In my case, it's this string. Now we need to pass this bundle object to this Fragment B. For that, I'm gonna create an object of Fragment B in here. So Fragment B, I'm gonna call it Fragment B equal to new Fragment B. To add the bundle, Fragment B dot set arguments and pass the bundle as the parameter. Now pass the Fragment B object that we have just created in here instead of creating new Fragment B in here. To receive data in Fragment B.java, I'm gonna create a string text equal to get arguments dot get string and pass the exact key in here as in Fragment A, semicolon. This will load the data from Fragment A in this string. Now I'm just gonna call setText on this text view to display the value. And that's all we have to do to pass data from one fragment to another. Now let's run the app to see how it's work. First, let's type something and click the button. As you can see, it appears on this fragment. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you have any questions or queries, you can ask me in the comment section down below. Take care.